Hello friends, I'm Kyle from Wyze. Today is a very special day. We have Kim from our product team.
Hello.
And we are talking about one of our newest, most exciting products, Wyze Buds Pro. Wyze Buds Pro is a perfect manifestation of Wyze's mission, which is to bring great technology to everyone. I mean, you can't go anywhere these days without seeing someone with earbuds in, and you probably don't want to go anywhere without them. But I think it's time to just crack into this box. Do you want to take the honors? I mean, this is your baby. So the first thing you're going to see is this little sleeve with a quick start guide in it. And then you get down to what you really want to see, what you came here for, the Wyze Buds. I mean, the first thing that I noticed, Kim, when you start to handle these is just how sleek and nice the case is itself. Like, it has a great touch on the outside.
It's super matte and it's very compact, very smooth to hold and easy to put in your jeans pocket.
Now it's time for the big reveal of the actual buds themselves. You ready for this? Bam! I feel like these are the buds that 007 would wear if he was walking around with earbuds in, right?
I totally agree.
And the snap on that case, man, that sounds good.
Yeah, this is actually, we designed it.
It's so satisfying. Okay, so the buds come in there. What else comes in the case? Some custom ear tips.
Yes, so we are offering 3 sizes of ear tips. So if you don't find the default one working for you, we have a different size for you. They are different from like a round shape because we found the oval shape to fit in your ear canal more closely, so you get a more snug fit.
Well, let's talk about some of the headline features about this product. I mean, the active noise cancellation, right? I mean, that's huge. So I got to work on the marketing for these, and while we were shooting the commercial, we kept handing them to the actors, and we were trying to give them notes in between takes. But the active noise cancellation was so good, they kept on looking over at us, and they're like, what? What? They couldn't hear us because, you know, the active noise cancellation was so good.
That's essentially what we want to do. It's to block out all the noise and focus on what you're doing.
What? The other thing that I think is interesting about these is the wind noise reduction.
We actually designed the physical structure. For the microphones that are inside, we actually buried them much deeper in the kind of the tube structure so wind doesn't blow right into it.
Okay, so let's talk battery life.
So these earbuds are actually very compact. It was a engineering challenge to actually fit in the battery big enough and reduce the power consumption so that on one single charge of the earbud, you can use it for 4.5 hours. With active noise cancellation on.
And these have, I would say, the typical features that you would expect from premium earbuds. It has the touch controls that you can assign on the side.
You can pause the music whenever, just with your finger, phone free.
Voice assistants, take calls, reject calls if you wanted to.
And you can also use touch control to change to transparency mode.
Ah, transparency mode. What's that?
Great question. I'm glad you asked. Transparency mode basically helps you to actually hear your surroundings when you're in the traffic, when you are on the bus. You want to hear the surroundings.
So the other thing that it does that I think is amazing is it has the auto pause. You take it out, it'll automatically pause your music if you're listening to something.
The earbuds has built-in sensors to detect whether they are in your ears or not, so they can pause and resume the music for you.
It's so smart. It knows exactly what I need. So there you have it, Wyze Buds Pro. We're so excited for this to get in the hands of all of you in the wonderful Wyze community.
We hope you enjoy it.